Dear students, welcome to participate in online program, online English class. I hope you are all okay. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am fine. I am your teacher, K.M. Zakaria Alom, Police Science School and College, Bogura. Today, I am going to teach you on English second paper through online class. The topic of teaching is completing sentence. Question number 7. Its mark is 5. 5 sentences will be mentioned in the question. There will be no alternative. There are some rules to complete the sentence which are written on the board. On behalf of your understanding and learning, please look at the board carefully. Using relative pronoun who, which, when, why, what, etc. It is I who am a student. Here I is a subject, that is personal subject. When subject will be person, the relative pronoun who will be used to make sentence or to complete sentence. Here am is used by following subject who, I. That means here am is used by following subject I. Number B, it is you who are a player or who are a student or who have done the work. It depends on your choice what types of sentence will prepare you to complete the sentence. Next, C, it is he who is a farmer, fisherman, doctor, etc. Here is used by following subject he. He is the factor to use is. He is the personal subject, so who is used. It is he who is a farmer, who is a fisherman, who is a doctor, etc. I know the man who is my uncle, relative or cousin, etc. Here man is the personal subject, so who is necessary to complete the sentence. It is health which is wealth. Health is not a personal subject, so impersonal subject. At the time of impersonal subject, which will be used. It is health which is wealth. I know what he says. Here what is relative pronoun. Its Bengali meaning is ja here. Next, G, it is 10 a.m. when I go to school. Here 10 is the time. So when is necessary to use here. Next, rule 2, using if as a conditional. If plus present, that means verb present, equal to. Such form will be mentioned in the question. You have to complete the next part. If you study attentively, you will pass in the exam, you will succeed in the exam, or you will do well in the exam. Here study is present tense. So to complete the verb will be future. That means will pass, will succeed, or will do in the exam. When present tense is in the first part, future tense should be compulsory to complete the gaps. Here study is present, will is necessary. If he works hard, he will shine, prosper, shine in life, or gain in life. If he works hard, here works is present tense. So your answer will be future tense. It is an excellent idea to complete the sentence. If he or he, you or he is used in the sentence, so subject will be the same. If he works hard, he will shine, prosper, gain in life. If plus past, verb past equal to future in past, that means would plus verb present. PRST means present. Please follow. If you invited me, here invited is past. So would must use. If you invited me, I would come to the party, I would come to the birthday party, I would join the birthday party, or etc. When object will be present, then object will be subject at that time. Here me is object. So if you invited me, this object has become subject to complete the sentence. Next, number 4. If plus were equal to would plus verb present. PRST means present. If I were a king, to express high ambition. If I were a king, its Bengali meaning আমি যদি রাজা হতাম. When where is present after if, your completing form will be would plus verb present. If I were a king, I would help the poor, I would do good for the country, I would do good for the nation, etc. That means after where would must be used to complete the sentence. Number B, if I were a bird, here where is present, so would is necessary verb will be present. If I were a bird, I, such subject, first subject I, it will be used in the same way I. If I were a bird, I would fly in the sky. Here would is used after where, by following where would is used, and after would verb will be present. Next, question number 4. Rules 5. If plus past perfect, had is the auxiliary verb of past perfect. At the time of making past perfect, verb will be past participle. if plus past perfect, please use might have, would have plus verb past participle plus dot dot, which words are necessary to complete the sentence. Please look at the example number A. If I had got a visa, here had is the auxiliary verb of past perfect and got is the past participle of get. To make past perfect, had will be used and after had verb will be past participle. If I had got a visa, I would have gone to London, USA, etc. Would have, might have, should have. Any word may use. Number 6. This is the another rule for completing sentence. Present plus as if as though equal to past, but be will be where. Be will be compulsory where after as if as though. Such as example A, he talks as if. Subject will be the same after as if. He was will be where after as if. Where is a must, where met or broker or so on. Question number rule 7. Past as if as though so on past perfect. Past as if as though equal to past perfect. The forms of past perfect, please follow. Had is the auxiliary verb of past perfect. After had, verb will be past participle. Please look at another example question. Example A, he talked as if. After as if, subject will be the same. He. Next parts will be past perfect. He had known everything, or he had been met. That means as if, as though. Its Bengali meaning is Jeno. Now I am going to discuss the another rule, number 7, about lest. Its Bengali meaning is ta na hole or pache. At the time of completing the sentence, verb is necessary. In imperative sentence, subject will be absent. So, verb is the main word in the imperative sentence. Verb plus dash dash means object or adverb, etc. plus lest equal to should. But subject will be you compulsory. That means when subject will be absent in the sentence, then you will be used. What first, lest, here what is verb, but subject is absent. This is imperative sentence. So, to make or to complete the sentence, you should be used compulsory here. What first, lest you, should or might, anyone may use here. Should or might, verb would be present. Miss the train. Miss the train or you should, but you might fail to miss the train, etc. Read attentively. Here, read is a verb. This is also an imperative sentence. Subject is absent here. So, at the time of completing, after rest, you is a must. You should or might fail in the exam. When subject will be present in the sentence in the same rules, then after last subject will be pronoun. Here the man is subject. Here the man is used as a subject. So this subject will be pronoun after last to complete the sentence. The man walks slowly lest he. Here the man will be he. Should or might is a must. Stumble or fall down. These are the rules of lest for completing sentence. Next, please follow the rules number 8. No sooner had plus then equal to past. That means past tense. It is clear that after then, no sooner had plus then, this is the form. After then, verb will be past in the gap. No sooner had I gone to school than the bell rang. Gap words will depend on your conception. No sooner had we reached the station, as the station is related to the train, so train may be used. The train left. No sooner had we reached the station than the train left. After then, verb is used in past form. Next, rules 9. In order to oblique to equal to, after in order to or to, verb will always be present. Students go to school in order to dash. After in order to, verb will be present. In order to learn many things. Many things are study, etc. as you like. The Muslims go to mosque to say their prayer. After to, verb will be present. To say their prayer. Here to is infinitive to. So, after infinitive to, verb will be present. Dear students, don't miss the time, don't neglect your studies, as you are the candidates of HSC exam which will be held 2021. So, you should prepare well. A student can never do well in the exam unless he or she studies well. So, by practicing more and more on completing sentence, I hope you will get better conception to complete the sentence. Thank you very much.